Five Crowns Single-Player Solitaire How to Play. The rules are the same as regular Five Crowns except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of the game is to close out each pile by making books and runs. Shuffle all the cards together and deal 11 piles. 3 cards in the first pile, 4 in the second, 5 in the third, and so on until you have 13 cards in the 11th pile. Arrange each of the piles face up in a way you can see all the cards. The remaining cards create your draw pile. Jokers are still always wild, but the rotating wilds are determined based on which pile they are in and how many cards were dealt to that pile. So, the pile that has 3 cards, all 3s are wild for that pile. To begin play, take the top card from the draw pile and decide which of the 11 piles you want to play it in. After adding it to that pile, discard 1 card from that pile. Discarded cards are not allowed to be used again. Once all the cards in a pile are in books and/or runs, that pile is flipped face down and is considered closed. Continue playing until all the piles are closed, then you win. If you are unable to close all the piles by the time the draw deck runs out of cards, then you lose.